Now we are going to see the procedure of Hadoop Virtual Machine working with the VMplayer. So before installing it, we are going to see the process, how it works. This is Hadoop architecture in another remote Linux virtual machine. This is the system architecture of the Hadoop. Here you can see the Hadoop process is actually working in the remote Linux virtual machine, and in turns the Windows application are running in another system in which all the apps are working in the Windows basis. We are going to submit and execute the jobs remotely from the Hadoop, working and executing remotely, in which we are going to submit the job and execute the jobs. And after that, we are going to download the VMplayer first. Just open the browser and just giving VMplayer download. So in that, you just go to the filerepo.com, the VMplayer. Just here download that. And after once you give the download, it gets start downloader. Actually, this VMplayer give save file. It gets start downloaded. Once the VMplayer is downloaded, we are going to install the VMplayer. Just double click the setup. Here it is getting downloaded. Give next. Just give next. Give next. 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 Here actually VMplayer is getting installed now. The purpose of the VMplayer is to execute the virtual machine in which we are going to submit the jobs. Actually, VMplayer is the most portable virtual machine execution software in which we execute the input jobs, Hadoop jobs, so that we are making the big data computing. Now the VMplayer installation has been completed. Give finish. Once the VMplayer has been completed, then we are going to download the Hadoop Virtual Machine. For that, just go to the browser and in this address bar give this link to download the Hadoop Virtual Machine. Just give enter. When you give enter, it's getting here. This is the Hadoop VM appliance 0.818 zip file. This is the configured virtual machine in which we are going to execute the jobs. Give OK. It is getting downloaded here. So after the Hadoop is finished downloaded, we are going to place the Hadoop virtual machine in the VMplayer. Once the Hadoop virtual machine on the VMplayer has been downloaded, we're just going to extract that virtual machine. Here, just here the downloaded Hadoop virtual machine is placed here. So just right click and extract the Hadoop virtual machine. Is getting extracted now. Once it is getting extracted, we just start the VMplayer. Just start the VMplayer. Here, when you start the VMplayer, just give accept. Then VMplayer is getting initiated now. It is the home page of the virtual machine. So now just give open virtual machine. In that, we locate to the Hadoop virtual machine where we placed. Just when you see that Hadoop VM appliance 0.18, just double click it. And you can able to see only one file in the inside this folder .vmx. This is the VMware virtual machine image file. Just click it to open. When you give this, actually the virtual machine image is getting loaded here. You just make sure the virtual machine settings here. Just click edit virtual machines. This is the allocated memory size and processor and the hard disk capacity, and we place the network adapter as a network interface, and so we can able to change this processor memory number of cores. We can able to change that. Just skip it. We can able to change this, and also is an automatic preferred mode is automatic, and memory is 512 MB. We can able to increase the virtual machine size by clicking this, or so this is a default virtual memory size of 512 MB. So according to your total RAM size, you can able to increase the virtual machine. Actually this is an 2 GB RAM system, so I can place this virtual memory size to 512. If you have the 4 GB RAM, means you can able to increase to 1 GB. Okay, once you see that default settings, you can see there is an option, it is working in Linux. Then give OK. Just give play virtual machine. When you give the play virtual machine, you just give copy it. Just remind me later. Here the Hadoop virtual machine is getting started now, so it takes some more time to get booting. So here all the services have been sliced, every service have been sliced and configured. Here it is getting configured. So here I am slicing all the network interfaces. So now your Hadoop virtual machine is successfully placed in the virtual VM player.